Hi, I'm Scott with Power Dekor. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to install a random width and random length laminate flooring. I've had a few calls, people uncertain when they get home how to piece this together. It's actually really simple. There's no wrong answer. And I'm just going to show you a couple little tips on how to put this down. I've got one box out here on the floor, so I'm just going to lay it up against the wall and give you an example of how this is done. So there's three widths that are available: the 7.5, the 5.5, and the 3.5. You can start with any that you like. So I'm going to just go ahead and start with the 5.5. One thing to bear in mind with this flooring is it's a Uniclick drop lock floor. So the end here needs to be exposed as you're installing. So in this case, you will need to install from right to left. Also to note, this is the male profile which goes against the wall, and you lock into the female exposed profile on the outside. So it's quite simple. Normally you would put spacers here to keep you a 1/4 inch away from the wall. And the first row is going to go together quite easily because it's just the drop lock. So I got my first row down together, flush up against the wall. Now, you can go with the 7.5 next, the 3.5. You could even, if you really wanted to, use the same width. That wouldn't be too creative, but that's your call. You want to stagger your end joints by a minimum of 8 inches. So pick a board which will give you that stagger, and you simply click and lock into place. That simply, you'll notice the drop lock here, you line it up and just drop it in place. Alright, so now I'll put down the widest one out. Again, just that simple. Always leaving your female side here exposed. And keeping our end joint staggered within 8 inches minimum. You can go more, obviously. Now, we've gotten to the point where we can choose to either continue the same pattern or we can switch it up. So what I'll do now is I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to put the 3.5 as my next one. And finish it up, the 5.5. After this, you can go with a wider, or it's up to you if you wanted to maybe have a look that would give you a pattern like this, or put a wider one and continue on with a narrower. It's all up to you, but it's really that simple. Like I said, there is no wrong answer. Thanks.